Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete comments in bulk in TikTok. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's open up our TikTok app first. Let's go to our profile by tapping on the profile button, which is at the bottom right corner of our phone. And let's go to a video having comments. Okay, let's pause the video and you can see the three dotted icon inside a bubble icon, which is for the comments. Just tap there on the bottom right corner and you can see all these comments over here. If I wanted to delete these comments in bulk, we have to just tap one of the comments which we want to delete, and after that you can see the manage multiple comments option has appeared. Tap there, and after that you can select whichever comment you want to delete, like these, and delete. You can see the delete option over here and you have selected 3 comments to be deleted. Just tap there and you can see the delete option up here. Just tap there and it's been deleted. There guys, this is how you can delete bulk comments in TikTok. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.